Good morning, welcome to a 2 and 2 on Tuesday the 22nd of July. This is Kim Watson speaking for Ezeetrader. Okay, looking at the euro dollar first, and it is a pretty directionless market at the moment. When you particularly over the last 4 days, we've got a range, a very small range, but as you can see where the open and closes are, it's pretty much along the same lines. So giving us very little in the way of where to next then. Support sits around that about just under that 135 area, 134.94. Resistance initially sits at 135.49, along with the daily 8, etc. There's little in the way of expectation here almost. In fact, it's breaking down a little bit at the moment. It's air kiss, it's weekly pivot, so it may not even go back up there. There is a chance we could just, if we just come down the time frames, and you can just see on this hourly time frame, it's just completely directionless at the moment. So little to say apart from where it could, the support and resistance levels. A break of either of these could give us some direction. Looking then at the pound dollar, and let's come out to the bigger time frames, and at least, well, sort of got a bit of influence. It has been making some potentially higher lows. At the moment, it's still got its weekly pivot above it as well. Not managed to go anywhere too much. There's a possibility at some stage it could come down for the weekly pivot, or even the weekly 200 first. But as I say, again, there's little in the way of direction when you come down to the hourlies, and you can see what's going on here. It's sort of quite a range-bound market. In fact, there's a bit of a trend line going, a bigger trend line going on here, which it's walked its way through as opposed to anything else. So very directionless. There is no significant news today. So hopefully we'll see some direction come out of this market at some point this morning. Or today, and it gives a bit of a clue for the coming days. There is some news for the pound dollar coming out this week, so we should see some volatility kicking into play at some point. Okay, have a great one. Bye.